gonna make a typical living drink.
The items that you'll need to make the passion fruit or maracuyà drink. First, you'll need a pitcher, and then you'll need 4 maracuyà or passion fruit, some sugar, a blender, a knife, a stirring spoon, and a tablespoon. Start by cutting the 4 passion fruit. You put the seeds inside the blender. Now, I'm going to put 8 tablespoons of sugar in the blender. And what we do is we do 2 tablespoons per passion fruit. And you can kind of experiment this as you make it. And if you like it more sour, put less sugar. And if you want more sugar, then put more sugar. Then after adding the sugar, you add about a half a cup of water, just enough to break up the seeds. You don't want to blend it too much to where the seeds are destroyed. You just want enough to where the seeds are still there, but they come apart from the like slimy part of the passion fruit. And then now we're going to blend it. To add our strainer to our supply list, and so you will need this to strain the seeds. Okay, so our final step is adding the water. So this is 8 cups of water, and we are adding 2 cups of water per passion fruit. So, and then we will stir it together. And there you go.